Hello, this is Kashif Mahmood and welcome back to KM Webverse. In this video, I will tell you how you can set up a currency switcher on your WooCommerce website. The currency will change based on user location. So it will automatically detect the country of the user and then display the product prices in that currency. Here you can see I have selected USD currency currently, and when I copy my domain name and when I open my domain name in a new tab, here you can see that I see the prices in TKR. So it has successfully detected my country and then displayed the price accordingly. So we will set up this kind of functionality in our website. So I have downloaded the plugin and installed it in my website. So let's see how we can set up it. We will go to the dashboard and here you can scroll down and you will see this WooCurrency option, or you can go to WooCommerce and go to settings, and here you will see all the currency settings. I have added some currencies over here. I have explained each feature of the plugin in a separate video as well. So if you want to explore this plugin in detail, then you can watch that. For this video, we just need to go to the front end switcher and we will have to go to display rules, and we can just copy one of the short code and add it on our website, or we can just enable this switcher. So switcher like this will appear on the website. So I have added the short code in my header. So now we just need to go to GeoIP rules and we just need to click on enable, and here you can see we can set the currencies automatically using GeoIP. And you need to go to the WooCommerce and here you need to go to integration, and here you need to set up this MaxMind license key for the geolocation, and you can just click over here and here you can go to the MaxMind geolocation. You will create your account over here on the MaxMind website, and then you will be able to get a license key that you can add in the WooCommerce settings. And once done, you can enable this and you can add the country to any currency whichever you want. So for example, for USD we can add the US and other minor outlying islands and countries like that. So you can add unlimited number of currencies over here and then set up this GeoIP rules based on currency. And you can also set up custom flags, manual prices, custom currencies and things like that. So this is the best plugin if you want to set up auto detect country feature on your WooCommerce website so that it automatically shows the correct currency to the user. There is also a free version of this plugin which do not have this GeoIP rules, but you can set up unlimited currencies with it and add a drop down in your website, or you can set up a front end switcher. Here is the free version of the plugin. You can install it. I will provide the link for that in the description. And if you want a paid one, don't forget to get it because it's the best plugin that I have used. So like this video and leave your opinions in the comment section and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.